Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2004 BMW 525i. What we got, he's still working on it. I love projects, they never end. And we enjoy them. That's the whole point of having a project car. And this is one of his project cars. He's got a manifold converters right there. Then the true duals all the way back into the resonator. He wanted it not too loud, so we left the stock resonator. Then it goes 2.5 pipe all the way back, and we continued that 2.5 pipe into a double wall tip right there. Came out really nice. He's gonna paint it this summer. He's gonna paint it a nice matte, like white, not the Alpine white no more, something different. So tell us what you guys think. What color should he paint it? He's gonna check in the comments. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment on all our videos, because it helps us keep going and keeps our videos showing up and keep making more videos. We did this earlier in the year. We did a muffler delete on it. He brought it back. He wanted it a little bit louder. It's a 2004 BMW 5 Series. So we said, okay, bring it in, and he did. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual all the way back into a factory resonator that we cut off and put a 3-inch pipe in its place, as you guys can see right there. Then ran 3-inch pipe the rest of the way. And there's the muffler delete before. And there's the dual tip we put on it before. There's the resonator we cut off right there. So now it's straight pipe, only cats. That's it. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, that's a different one. Yeah. What do you think? That's clean. Not too loud, not too quiet. Again? Sound decibels? Right at 100. That's perfect. Not too loud. It won't drone too much inside. Nothing. If you want it louder, there's the giant pancake muffler we cut off right there. That's what goes on it. If you want it louder, you can take that resonator out next. Okay? Yeah, that's the next step. Drive it for a week or so, see how you like it, and then go from there. Those tips look really nice. I like them. They fit that car. BMW 525i. Much better. It was way too quiet before. Again? There's sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 97 now. Again? Yeah, right at 100. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. He's done a bunch of work to it since then. Nice. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Straight pipe.